Welcome to the section where we provide you with some books and resources. In this section, basically, I want to just show you what books are available to you as you go through this course. Some of these books are open source textbooks, free of charge. You can just Google them and find them. I just happen to put them in one place. But these books, some of them are free. I've also included the book that I wrote with Nathan Josette on Tools for Mastering Mathematics, some tools that will help you. So let's take a step at look at the website, look at some of the tools available to you, and then we'll let you get going into Module 1. So let's go ahead and pull that up. So this is the section of the website where it has the books, right? So it has the books listed. The first one is Tools for Mastering Mathematics, which is the one I wrote with Nathan Josette. It goes over the nature of mathematics, how to excel in mathematics, and then it tells you about specific topics that you should be familiar with and comfortable with. It talks about, the laws of logarithms, the rules of exponents, factors and multiples, all of that. So you can find that in the Tools for Mastering Mathematics book. I highly recommend that you check that out. I've provided it here for you for free. The other book that we're looking at, so actually I'm going to move out from this book and look at the next book. The next book here is called Beginning and Intermediate Algebra. Again, it's a free textbook online, but we've provided it here for you. This textbook provides you with opportunities to master principles in algebra. So please take time to go over that. If you have issues with like any questions of any topic, don't be afraid. Okay, let's apply humility as you study for the ACT. So this is the table of contents. It's going to pull up here in a second. You can kind of see that this book provides step-by-step examples for each concept in algebra, which I think is very important. Look at chapter 1, for example, one-step equations, two-step equations. I mean, it goes into very good detail with a lot of examples. So let's look at the section on integers, for example. Again, if you feel like you're not as strong in a certain topic, just feel free to use this book as a tool. Feel free to ask me questions, and then I'll guide you along as you use this book as well. So that's the algebra book. And then we also have the pre-algebra textbook, which goes over fractions, decimals, percents. That's also available to you. Again, the book is available if you Google online, Redwood's pre-algebra, or you can use it from our website here. And then finally, we have this book. This one is for fun, but I think it's worth looking into. It's called Elements of Algebra by Leonhard Euler. Now, Euler is one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. And you can look up his name. Just look up greatest mathematician, and you'll see Leonhard Euler come up almost every single time. He was very good at math, but he also wrote a book on elements of algebra and the basics of mathematics. So it's very interesting that one of the best mathematicians also wrote a book on how mathematics works. So please feel free to check this out. This is the Elements of Algebra, and it's there for fun. In your downtime, as you score very high on the ACT, feel free to check it out. So that's the Elements of Algebra by Leonhard Euler. These are the books available to you. If you need any other resources, let me know. This is still loading. Sorry, it's a long book, 626 pages. I would say maybe in the summer, you have some downtime. You will not regret it, I tell you. This is one of the best books you will ever read in mathematics. But again, I know we all have different hobbies. So this is one of my hobbies, is reading books like this and books on math history. This is Leonhard Euler's math book. Now, some of the things that you might know about Euler is when you think of f of x in mathematics, that was actually Euler's note. He came up with that notation. So f of x, where you say like, what is f of 2? So that means you input 2 and stuff like that. That is Euler. Venn diagram, some of that is actually Euler who came up with that. But there's a reason why they gave it to Mr. Venn, considering Euler came up with like 100 things in math. So he doesn't have to. We don't have to give him. We should give him the credit. But what I mean is that if Venn is gonna get the name for that one, we're not gonna change it. So, anyways, keep that in mind. That's from Leonhard Euler, along with many other things. This book is available to you for free. Feel free to check it out and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for your time. That's all we're going to talk about concerning the books. They're available to you. Feel free to use them. Feel free to ask me questions as far as, do you have books that address this topic or that topic, or geometry resources, whatever you need to do well on the math portion, let me know. Thank you and have a great day.